Hey, for into Library of Congress ka thawpui ten en kan kal dona public area hian in video la kan lo phal na maya chuwang chuanin amun hi apoi mo in aro pui ema video toy te ka lo langa he lai ka sira hian in Capitol building oma chuan hei hi Library of Congress chu nia tuna hian in balut don ani hey background lem te ka hriat ang kalau soi du chu Library of Congress hi original library original chu helai capital a hianin an neya amai ro chu War of 1812 in dauna a om khanin an hal ral vek an lekha bu te kha cheta veka chuanin Thomas Jefferson an a collection atangin lekha bu sang ruk chuang alo nei lau mai Thomas Jefferson akha president US president pathumna anin ka sia chuan he library tan nan hian a lekha bu kha a shalani sorkar hena chuan hei kama hian Supreme Court omboka chuan hei Library of Congress hi amoi ema video han lak lo ka ui dawani heng hi 1800 cha an lo sak to nia aro pui khop mai ale an lu tang ka tho pui te hi an om to in ka sia a ka tho pui ten lo lang he ta panin lo om boka moi lo to
I think it's down there. Huh? You made it! Did you already do it? Yeah, that's why I wanted to right now.
Hey, kamami hi Jefferson na statue lo oma na dome te hi avan moi
You been?
Library of Congress room. Gutenberg Bible ania Povela Bible print swa masak ber Paul ania hi copy somnga vel chawa oma hi an copy nei pakhat ani hi
There was a fire and some of his books were lost, and so they color-coded the books. So I think the ones that are, if I remember correctly, the ones that are green are original books from his library.
wow
And then there are like some that were replaced. So that's why you see like different ribbons.
yeah
But I don't remember which one represents what. But I know like there are the most majority is like actual from his library.
wow it's amazing that they preserved it all these and this is my boss by the way hey FDA branch chief ani hi Dr. Leila Raju Esfandiari. And this is
Make it so
Tasneem,
formal.
Dr. Tasneem Hussain. I work with all doctors.
It's not that serious. It's like, I don't know, like it's all like a artwork, like the whole place.
Oh, so beautiful. So I think there should be around 6,000 books here.
I think it says
Somewhere, yeah. The QR codes, yeah.
you can listen to the whole history.
Thomas Jefferson na lekhabu original te anili. Adon Library of Congress ila 1800s an lai chhon ani ai original lekhabu. Rau pui le mai. Chuan he tlaya local hi Dr. Chun ani hi John Hopkins how tu reng ni thin ani a doctor kan thawhpui ani a hai in lo hmu hi ang hianin lekhabu zong zong a lekhabu hi a topic a zirin an lo dah hrang vek ani hi chemistry surgery lampang te botany te a subject tin kha ti hian an lo thliar vek ani Bye.